What's up guys, today we're going to be doing a simple DIY that involves replacing the key fob structure that goes around it. You can customize it with whatever color or to match the color of your car, carbon fiber, or just change the overall look of your key. Macan keys or Porsche keys in general tend to get dinged up and then scrubbed up over time, so it's a common thing to be able to replace them. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Alright, so this is my key. I've actually upgraded it to a color blue to match my sapphire blue that I have in my car. As you can see, it has faded over here. It was a little rough and it probably dinged a couple parts, so it's been scuffed up. So it's time for me to upgrade, or not upgrade, but essentially replace that part. So I'm going to be showing you that. I've ordered this online, which essentially is the exact same thing that you see in here. So these are all the pieces that will be going in there, and we're going to go over how to replace each one of them. Step one is going to be to remove any keys, anything that will be attached to it. I'm going to remove this piece right here. Okay, so we slide this way and pull this out. This is the backup key or valet key. Then you're going to need a screw to take this apart. Then I will use a pocket knife or something to remove this top piece. And then simply remove this part. Take that part out. And then pop this open. Actually, this part seems to be going in first. Then this piece goes in here. Make sure everything is flushed. You get the new piece.